Hi, Sara Levin, the Artful Inker here. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the United States. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And for today's One Simple Trick video, I'm going to show you how to make an extra fluffy bow like this one that I shared for this tag on a gift bag in today's blog post. So we're going to start with a piece of ribbon, and you're just going to loop this back and forth a couple of times. Now, I know I've made this too small to show you. I know you've seen me do this in some of my videos, and then we're just going to wrap this around, and then I need to cut this, and then we're going to tuck this in behind. And this is my double faux bow that I have shown you in a previous video. So let's trim this edge here and move this out of the way. Now the next thing that you'll want to do is take your pick and a mini glue dot and stick it back in here behind the knot, because it's not really tied. That's the part that makes it a faux bow. So let's move these out of the way and clean up just a little bit. And then let's bring that bag back in. So I've got my tag on the bag, and I've looped this gingham ribbon around the handle. And then I've got two double faux bows, one in the polka dot tulle and one in the gingham. And then we're going to use that take a pick tool and again and grab another mini glue dot. We're going to stick it on the back of this one, and then we're going to come in and layer these two pieces together. Okay, and then I'm going to have to think just a second. So then we're going to begin our, I don't want that tied quite up all the way up at the handle. I want it to hang. Okay, so we're going to take the first loop of our real bow, and then we're going to stack this on top and come around and finish tying our bow. So let me see down here. I can't really show you. You're just coming through like you're tying a regular bow. Make sure you've got both of the ends, the loops, whatever you want to call those. And then you're just going to take a couple of minutes and do all of your adjusting so your loop size is the way that you want it. And then hold this and all of the pieces, and we're just going to tighten this so that it holds in place. So let me give that another pull here. And then I want to pull my tails down just a little bit, and then you've got that nice full bow that you've added some interest to. And that's how to make an extra fluffy bow. Give this video a thumbs up. Share it with your card making friends. If you're in the US, do some of your Stampin' Up! Shopping with me, please. You can find a link in the description below. And of course, if you subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell, you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Have a great day. Bye.